Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Garmin Edge 540 got bricked after an update. So, the most recent event that caused this kind of issue on Garmin Edge 540 and some other Garmin devices is related to the 2026.10 Topo Topoactive maps update, and many devices got bricked after this update. The issue must have been resolved by Garmin by now, but still, if you got some kind of issue like that, in order to resolve it, you're gonna have to drain your device completely, and after draining the battery to zero, you're gonna have to connect your Garmin device to your computer while holding down the lap button. So hold down the lap button, insert the USB-C cable into your Garmin device, insert the other side of the cable into your computer. This will get your Garmin into the loader mode, and once we get here, we're gonna have to install the specific software on our computer. So let me switch to it. So the software is called Garmin Express, and we can download it by clicking download for Windows right here. Now in my case, my Garmin device will be looking slightly different since my device is not drained completely, therefore we'll get to the standard loader mode. So your Garmin screen may look different from mine. But basically, once we install the Garmin Express, what we have to do is we have to open, of course, the exe file, and then we're gonna have to install the Garmin Express. So hit the checkbox right here, click install. Okay. Now let's click launch Garmin Express. Okay, after that we're gonna have to click add a device. Once the computer detects our Edge 540, we're gonna have to click add device next to it. Then we're gonna have to sign into our Garmin account. So let's do this real quick. Let's enter our email address at the top, and our password at the bottom. Then let's press enter. Then we're gonna have to enter the security code from the email address that is linked with our Garmin. So you're gonna receive the message on your email address, and you're gonna have to check check this message and find the code in there and enter this code in here. Once you do that, just press enter, then select the language. Click yes, select the language for your device right here. Click next. Then select the Wi-Fi network. Click next once again. Okay, and now what we're gonna have to do is first of all synchronize our device and check for available updates. If we have updates to install, you're gonna have to download and install them. And if for example, these Topoactive maps caused this issue for you, if this recent update caused this issue for you, you can go to map details and then click options underneath Topoactive and try to reinstall map. So you just click reinstall, accept, then continue, and then wait until the map is reinstalled. Or you can alternatively simply remove these maps by clicking manage maps right here and go into Topoactive and then unchecking the checkboxes and then clicking apply changes, and this will also reinstall, basically uninstall these maps. So you're gonna have to click continue and wait until these maps are uninstalled. Once this operation is finished, you just have to unplug your device from your computer and restart it. Alright, and and basically after you do that, your device should be unbricked and you should be able to use it once again. But unfortunately, this didn't work for old Garmin devices, and some of them stayed brick during this incident, when this incident happened. In such case, just contact Garmin directly, reach out to their customer support service, and from their reports, based on their reports, they have refunded all the bricked edges which issues were caused by this update. So hopefully they will help you out as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.